Guys, the new Toy Story movie is coming out and there's a new character. Guess who it is? Forky, you just knew it. That's so great. What should we draw?
Maybe Forky.
You guys thought Forky too. Let's do it. Let's do Forky.
Yep.
Bring it on to Vinnie.
All right, let's get started with Forky.
And Forky's pretty easy because he's kind of like a made-up character, so it doesn't have to be perfect. All right, so let's start with the eyes. So let's start with the smaller eye, like that. Then a little circle. Then the bigger eye. Then a bigger circle. Now move on to the eyebrow. So it's kind of one like squiggly line. Then we're gonna move on to the mouth. Do a smile. And then inside that smile, we're gonna do a similar line but smaller. And we're gonna move on to the head. And at the top of the head, we're gonna do a bunch of little lines. And you can do as many as you want. Doesn't have to be exact amount. Now I'm gonna move on to the neck. So we're gonna connect these two lines like that. Then we're gonna make a long line like that. And then another line. How are you doing, Max?
Good.
Yeah? Looks really good. Alright, so once you're done with the neck, then we're gonna move on to the arms. So we're gonna make two little lines like that. Then we're gonna go down and up. Another one. And with the arms, you could do whatever shape you want because his arms kind of squiggle around. So I'm just gonna do another line like this one. Then we're gonna do 3 little fingers. That. And we'll do another crazy line.
What are his arms made out of? Oh, I think I know. I think they're made out of... Oh no.
I'm pretty sure they're made out of pipe cleaners, Max.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so now
They're made out of pipe.
we're gonna move on to the feet. Gonna go down like that. And we're gonna connect it. And then he has little short stick legs. His feet are made out of the ends of popsicle sticks. We're gonna do 2 short U shapes. Like that. And like that. And we're done.
Now all we do is the color.
Alright, it's time to color.
Let's do it. All you need is just red, blue, and beige.
Yep.
Super easy, but where is beige?
Let's see. Let's start with the red.
And I hope you put it in fast mode, Mom. I'm going to use sparkly blue for his mouth. Right, and we're done.
Yep, all
This
done.
is all we have to do. So easy.
Super easy.
Thanks for watching, guys. So easy. Hope you watch it. I love making these drawing videos with my brother Vinnie. Bye. Hit subscribe. Bye.
Bye.